Did you know that you can have breakfast over in Johnny Rockets? Me neither. I know now. Let's go check it out. Good morning. Looks like we are the last ones to know.
I haven't been eating first. Next week, when we get that
Definitely the place to go for breakfast.
Did you just eat? You did? It was good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it, it's fast, it's quick, it's free, and
Oh.
they serve you.
Do you want to tell people on YouTube?
Sure.
She can't eat any pork or beef or anything
It's
that's
fast, it's free, it's good, no lineups, no hassle.
What's your name?
Angela.
Angela. Thanks, Angela.
Hi, bye.
Hi, friend.
How are you doing?
Good, Pedro. How are you?
Good.
It's just me.
No worries, go on, I'll get you fresh ones. Excellent. Just you?
Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
There's some things that are included, so no extra charge, and some things where there's an extra charge. Hello, good morning.
Sorry. Hi. Ready?
Yes.
Some drink?
I'm going to try the shake, the maple bacon shake.
Apple bacon shake. So your drink?
I want to get the French toast. And can I get the BLT but with scrambled eggs? No tomato and wheat bread.
Scrambled egg, no tomato, wheat bread, and the French toast with bacon or dressing?
Bacon.
I'll be right back.
Thank you. All right, we're about to have carb overload. I ordered the breakfast BLT sandwich. Let's see if they get it right. I ordered it with scrambled eggs instead of fried, no tomatoes, and wheat bread instead of white. I ordered the French toast, which is gonna be white bread, and this thing,
The bacon shake?
bacon shake. Wow. Thank you. I'm guessing the straw is coming. Thank you. He brought me a shake with no straw. Okay, so what's in here? This is wild. Vanilla shake with maple syrup, topped with whipped cream and drizzled with chocolate sauce, maple syrup and garnish with a slice of bacon. And it's $3.
Lose your lemonade, okay? Shoot. Oh, it's about this time.
Wait, what did you bring me ketchup for? What did I get in these ketchup?
Do it again. Oh, Dad, within one try.
You're wondering where we're at.
Oh, no, that's a tie. I would do that. She would do that.
Thank you. It's the morning of day 3, and we are on our way to St. Martin. 9:33. I think we're supposed to get there at 10 or 11. I don't know. I'm not planning on getting off the ship. I've already been to St. Martin.
Let's play against the character. I was like,
All right, let's give this shake a try. I'm gonna have to fast for sugar for a whole week. It's so sweet. Oh my gosh. It's good though. It's like it's more of a novelty. The look of it is very pretty. Other than that, it's a vanilla shake with some ribbons. That's what I was trying to think of. It has ribbons of chocolate syrup. Strips of chocolate in it. I don't really taste the sugar. I mean, the syrup. But yes, it's good. And you have a sugar craving, sugar and salt craving because you got bacon. This would definitely cure it. I'm not getting this again, not because it's not good, because it is good.
We are supposed to stay on time, which is yes, please.
It's just too much sugar.
Time close the location. Yeah, I shut it down. I turned it to
Good job, Royal. Good job.
And that's the that's the French toast with bacon.
Thank you. And no tomatoes. Why do they always want to give me tomatoes? I said no tomatoes. All right, let's try it out.
is it in a zoo? Where would you have seen it? You know,
Oh my gosh, they got a pound of meal on here.
is it bigger than that?
Why is there so much meal? Ooh. didn't have so much mayo on it. I'm trying to French toast. I guess I should have took a picture so you can see it.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so no, I didn't play that.
Not as good as homemade. Not as good as homemade French toast. They don't put enough batter on it. But definitely better than the Windjammer and even the main dining room French toast. It's not like really hard like they usually cook it. Got the right texture, the right doneness. Yeah, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna sit here and chill, finish this. Just enjoy the ambiance. I think it's really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sit here and chill and enjoy the ambiance. I think it's really nice to come and have breakfast out here. Out in the open air, not in the dining room with so many people. Just a different environment. Obviously it's a different menu, so you're not gonna get the same regular stuff. But yeah, I would definitely come back here again during my cruises and have breakfast again. But not this. Not this cup full of sugar. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know. What would you have ordered off of the Johnny Rockets breakfast menu? And who knows, maybe I will try that before I get off this ship and make you another video, let you know how it goes. Check out this view.
See you when I meet there by 10. Like, see you.
Everything good so far?
Everything's good, thank you.
Okay. You need anything else?
Can I get another napkin, please? Yeah. The umbrella fell off. Fell.
What do you guys do?
Always something. Yeah, they're gonna close them all now. I don't blame them. Guess what? It's raining. It's raining. No, it's not. There's not a cloud in the sky. Why did we all just spill water? I have no idea. I think it might have been water from that hose that he's spraying. And it kind of came over on everybody. I think that's what this guy is talking to them about. Because the wind is blowing. So the water from their hose is blowing over on us while we're eating. I was so confused. I'm like, why do I keep hearing the ambulance on the doggone cruise ship? I didn't realize that we had already made it to St. Martin. All kinds of noise.